The question came in, where do we see AI being used in Mule right now? Okay, so I'm going to take you to the Integration Quest Anypoint platform, and this one is one that is entitled with the AI component. It has the automation package. Composer and RPA Manager do not use well, I shouldn't say that. Composer and does not use the AI component. RPA Manager has a feature that will link you to intelligent document processing. Okay, so this is where I'm going to show you in the intelligent document processing part that AI is used here in scanning documents. Okay, so that's what intelligent document processing does. It scans documents. So if we create a new one, you can see you have a choice of some pre-templated or pre-standardized document types. And I understand there's more on the roadmap for this in the future. But we've got invoice that will take a document and extract the fields that you see listed here, okay, that are already preset to get these values for you. Purchase order is another one, okay, and it will do the same. And then there's generic, and generic allows any kind of document to be scanned, okay. So if I do the invoice type, let me cancel out of here because here is the invoice type here. Okay, and this is an invoice. This is preset. So all I did is go through the process for the invoice, and then I could come in here and select some files to add to this for it to scan. So let me grab my invoices here. Here's 3 invoices that I'm going to bring over, and we'll look at each of these. So this one is a Northern Trail Outfitters invoice. And then there's another one that's a multi-page invoice, has 2 different pages to it. And then invoice number 2 is a different kind of invoice here, MuleSoft invoice for various things listed. Okay, so these are the PDFs that we're scanning. Now, if you want to select files, it's PDF, JPG, I think it's a TIFF now also. So there are certain kinds of files that this can utilize. Okay. So what you're seeing here is like the interface to test out how it's scanning the documents, how it's working, because this isn't where it stops. This is just where it starts. So we start off here by gathering information. When I run this, is going to scan each of those 3 documents separately, but provide the output visualization of these documents over here in our output. And again, this is, the user interface for us to determine, do we need to modify anything here? Is it actually getting the data that I need? What is this all looking like? And so as I scroll down and look at the document, the grayed areas tell me that that was optically scanned. It's the optical character recognition, and it was scanned, and that data is extracted. So we can come down here and see all of the data that it picked up off of this document. Now, also has been added is a prompt here. Now, that prompt is using the AI component because it's in addition to the actual fields. And now I'm asking a question, is the due date of this invoice passed? If so, how late is it? So now this is actual natural language where I'm asking a question and it's bringing back information. Yes, the due date has passed. It's 502 days late. Likewise with any of these others that are here, this is the AI component. It actually interacts with ChatGPT in a very trusted layer. Okay, so it's not just open to the internet chat GPT. It's very secured as far as that's concerned. But again, you'll have the fields. I'm sorry. Go ahead. Did someone have a comment?
No, I think I was coughing. Sorry.
Okay. So it will also pull the data from the fields as well as answer that prompt question. Okay, so if you're using the invoice or you're using the purchase order, then you're going to have some structure with some AI questions you can ask it. Now, this one is truly using the generic, whereby there are many different questions that can be asked here. And so this example, this use case is actually using a using all of the AI, okay? And it is going to pull in resumes. So here is a resume packet. This is one of my resume packets here. And I want to show you, not only does it have text to pull, but it also has my certifications. I've got 4 minutes to show you all this and I need to jump, but it shows you even certifications. So there truly is, images here as well. And what I've asked, being that it's a different structure because it's generic, what lists the applicant's top 10 skills? Would act as a hiring manager, determine if this applicant is hireable or not desirable, and explain how you came to this conclusion. This is all AI here, 100% AI. And so once it goes through and what it's doing right now is going out to the AI server, the engine, and it's pulling back some detailed information based on what it's reading off of. How many pages? This is like 26 pages. Yeah, 26 pages. Okay, so it's coming back saying some details here as a hiring manager. Okay, that's information. I want to see the answer to the question. Okay, so here's the question. As a hiring manager assess, they determined I was hireable and they told me why. So this is AI. This is an opinion based on the AI engine. And once you're satisfied with how this is working, maybe I need to modify my questions, maybe based on my output, but you actually get output. Let me grab this one. Yeah, you actually are getting output in JSON format. So like in this case, I asked for a JSON output. And so you can look at that and paste in the details, and here is that JSON output. These are my certifications. It pulled up all my certifications from viewing a picture of my certification. Okay. And so as you are working with this, you can see, am I satisfied with this? If so, then I publish it to Exchange. And then it goes into Exchange where now I can use it as a RESTful endpoint. Okay. This is that endpoint right there. And so there's a two-step process to this. The first step is sending the document in. The second one is, where is it? Posting the document in, I'm sorry. And then the second one is getting those JSON results. So there you have one version of how AI is used in Mule. There's others, and I'll share those next time. How was that?
Yeah,
Short, good.
that's really a full-blown project packed as a tool. So what is this? Intelligent data processing is an add-on product, or it comes along?
It is. It's actually part of the automation suite. Okay, so if you get the automation suite on your Anypoint platform, it's part of this suite.
I see.
Okay.
So we may not see on a trial license.
Oh, no. Now, yeah. If you have a partner account, you can request it to be added to your partner account. Yeah.